Good morning, gentlemen. We're holding on the 89th segment of our Think Before You Speak series, Shemirat Halashon, the laws of Shemirat Halashon with clarity. Leilu Nishmat, the great Chafetz Chaim Zechet Tzadik L'Bracha. Leilu Nishmat, Reb Chaim Kanievsky Zechet Tzadik L'Bracha. Leilu Nishmat Yedidi, Reb Zechariah Wallerstein Zechet Tzadik L'Bracha. Leilu Nishmat Luz Aliza Bat Henriette and our children that passed in the fire. Ruach Hashem Tenichena Began Eden. And as well, these halachot should be a great zechut and a shmir of our bnei chabura, of the balabatim kolel in the morning that sit and learn. Shem should bless them with shefa, beracha v'atzlacha ad blidai. These halachot are specifically dedicated for the shmir ma'alya and the hatzlacha gedolah nesiyat chen of Chaim Davidov ben Chayesara. Today's halacha, titled "The Cleaning Lady." So, let's start off with something that I'm hoping will bring out a really big point, because today we're going to discuss the worst of all types of rechilut possible. So listen to this story. So Ilana comes out of her house, and as she's walking down the block, she bumps into an old cleaning lady, and she turns to her and says, "Hey, you still work in this neighborhood?" And she says, "Yeah, I'm working for your neighbor right down the block." Now, Ilana thinks to herself, but wait one second. Mrs. Levine, she found this cleaning lady stealing by her. And I really thought that Mrs. Levine made it very clear to everybody, all the neighbors in the entire area, don't use this cleaning lady because I caught her stealing. Wow. And actually someone on the block still gave her a job? So Ilana is attempted to look at the cleaning lady and say, but wait a minute, how did they give you a job? Mrs. Levine caught you stealing, and Mrs. Levine told everybody on the block never to hire you. If Ilana would tell the cleaning lady what Mrs. Levine went and told everyone else on the block in regard to the cleaning lady stealing, that would be telling rechilut about a Jew to a goy. The worst type of rechilut that you can say is to tell a goy about what a different Jew said or did against them. That's much worse than even regular rechilut between two Jews. And the reason is obvious, because the goyim, there's no telling what type of revenge, what type of measures they would take to go against somebody that they hear went against them. And therefore it is forbidden absolutely to tell to a goy anything about what another Jew said or did in any which way that might be detrimental against them. Rechilut, to be told to a goy about another Jew, is the worst type of sin. It's even worse than from Jew to Jew. And therefore you're not allowed to tell a goy that, let's say, the merchandise that a Jew sold him was not the best quality. You're not allowed to tell a goy that the job that a certain Jewish worker did for the goy wasn't done right, was done very poor. All this is rechilut to a goy about another Jew, which is a much greater avera than telling rechilut to another Jew. Rather, over here you could understand that when the goy hears that a different Jew did something that they think was right or against them, they're liable to react and take revenge in a terrible way. Thank you for listening.